Hey y'all, it's Vegan Girl Crush, and today we're going to be making apple crumble. This is a perfect recipe for the fall holidays. It's awesome to take to a good fall party if you're having one, or just to eat for dessert for dinner, or if you want a sweet breakfast, it's perfect as well. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how to make this, and thanks for clicking on my video, and without further ado, let's cook y'all. Alright y'all, so one of the first things that you're going to need to make this is some apples. Apple crumbles in the name. You do need apples to make this. So I have 6 kind of like little mini apples. Also, this will be a serving for 2 people, so it will feed 2 people, but there will definitely be leftovers because if you eat this all in one sitting, you're not going to be able to walk after. But yeah, so I got 6 little mini apples, and I'm gonna peel them, take all the skin off the apples, and I'm gonna cut them into small little pieces. So yeah, let's do it. Alright y'all ready for this smooth transition? 3, 2, 1. Wow, that is all of our apples all cut up and peeled.
Cute.
Alright y'all, so we chopped up our apples. They're looking very fresh and sweet, and so now our next step, what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and chop some pecans. I always buy the roasted and salted because I like to eat them as a snack as well, but feel free to buy the raw unsalted ones or whatever you prefer. I also really like my salt, as we already know, so we got the roasted and salted half pecans from Trader Joe's. Let's do it. Let's chop it up. Alright y'all, and here is a cup of unchopped pecans ready. Smooth transition ready. 3, 2, 1. Those look so good. We're gonna go ahead and add 1 1/2 cup flour to this bowl. Let's do it. Alright, after the flour, we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of brown sugar up in there. So after we got our brown sugar in our bowl, then we're gonna go ahead and add a half cup of regular sugar. Alright, next up we got a half teaspoon of salt. After the salt, we're gonna go ahead and add our chopped pecans. Look how beautiful they are, y'all. I just want to eat them, honestly, but I'm gonna add them in the bowl like we're supposed to. I'm not gonna eat them, so yeah. Add all your pecans in the bowl. Let's do it. Now next, we're gonna go ahead and add in a half cup of melted butter. So I just want to let y'all know I'm also trying to record on my phone while I'm doing this, so this might not be the best video quality, but we're gonna try, so let's do it. Ooh. Next up, you're gonna give it a big stir, mix all that good stuff together. Ooh. I don't have a whisk, so I'm literally just using like a spoon, but if you have a whisk, that would be preferred, but I don't own a whisk, unfortunately. Whisks are just too expensive for me to purchase because I could just use a spoon, so I'm gonna use a spoon up in here and give it a mixy mix. And once you're finished, it should look a little something like that inside the bowl. That's gonna be the crumble. Alright y'all, the next step after we got all of our ingredients mixed up in our bowl is to go ahead and get our dish that we're gonna bake the apple crumble in, and we're gonna get some olive oil or butter, whatever you prefer. I just like to use olive oil, and then we're gonna put that at the bottom of the dish. That way the dish doesn't stick to the bottom, and you're just gonna go ahead and yeah, you're just gonna grease it up with your hands up in there. So just get the bottom nice and coated. Also, if you have that spray stuff, you can use that as well, but I just don't want to buy it, you know, like I can just use other stuff and save money. So I'm just putting some oil at the bottom of this pan, so, and I'm greasing that bitty up, getting it nice and greased up for that apple crumble. And it's gonna look like that. Hey y'all, sorry if the camera quality looks different. I had to switch to my phone real quick because my camera died, but yeah, anyways, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need your dish, and we're gonna go ahead and pour all of those apples that you cut up and put them on the dish. So let's do it. Woo. All right, get out of there. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit cinnamon on top. So some cinnamon. Perfect. gonna look like that. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add all that crumble that we had in that bowl on top of the apples and the cinnamon. So my camera died, so I'm not gonna be able to record me doing it, but I will show you what it looks after. You're just gonna kind of grab it with your hands and you're just gonna put the crumble, I'll show you. You're just kind of going to put the crumble stuff all on top of here. So you're just gonna grab it with your hands and you're just gonna pat it on top. So I'll show you what it's done. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, so I put the crumble on top of the apples and cinnamon and it looks a little something like this. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little bit almond milk on top of the crumble just to make sure that, you know, nothing gets stuck to the bottom and make it like a little bit more moist, I guess. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Almond milk. All right, perfect. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350. So I got it all ready to go in the oven. The oven is preheated to 350, and yeah, we're gonna let this cook for like probably about 45 to 50 minutes. We want the top to get nice and a golden brown, and also for fun, we're gonna add some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream on top once I take it out the oven, but I'll show you doing that after. But anyway, let's put it in the oven. Okay everyone, so I just took out the apple crumble from the oven and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like before I destroy it and put it in a bowl and throw some vanilla ice cream on it. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like cooked. This is like a good picture. Oh, thumbnail. But yeah, looks pretty tasty. Get it all up in there. And yeah, I'm gonna throw some ice cream on it and throw it in a bowl and then eat it. I'll do a taste test for y'all too. But it smells literally so good. And it cooked for like 50 minutes and I'm just really hungry now, so let's put it in a bowl. Y'all, look at that ice cream like melting on top of the crumble. Oh my god. Dude, this is gonna be so good. And so I put it in a bowl for y'all. It looks a little like that. Some ice cream and some crumble. And yeah, I'm gonna take a bite on camera. I already know it's gonna be good. It literally, like, look at that ice cream melting. Tell me that doesn't look good. All right, let's do it. So good. Oh my god. Y'all, I feel like such a fall girl right now. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go finish watching Love is Blind because I'm watching that right now. I'm gonna go eat this apple crumble. So, it was so good. But anyways, y'all, thanks so much for watching the video. Thanks for supporting the channel. I appreciate my fellow vegans, or if you're just trying it out, thanks for coming for the ride. And yeah, I'll catch y'all soon with a new video. And yeah, we're gonna cook some food again, or maybe we'll do something different, who knows. But yeah, I hope y'all have a great day or a lovely night, and I'll see y'all next week with a new video. Peace.